What is up, crew? We're just doing a little vlog stuff tonight. I am out at Oklahoma Motorsports Complex without my car, full on media mode. We've got the gear right here, all of my camera equipment in a box, and we're just gonna be getting some footage as some of the other guys do some laps for this little event. It's a 3-hour night event. I thought it would be great to check out what the Sony a7S III can do, and my two lenses for it, the Sony 20mm f1.8 and the Tamron 35 to 150 f2 to 2.8. Both of these are strong night shooting lenses. As you can see, we have solid exposure. I figured you guys don't see this vlog style footage often enough, so I'd do a little something different today. Nice. Probably won't even be able to see anything here, but let's just see what happens. Woo, big fire, that was sick. So we're gonna have to shoot that guy's next lap at 240. Here come Drift Militia, a couple of our local guys. Real slow, isn't it? Alright, that's it. That's a good clip. That's what I was trying to get. Woo! Robert, you made it to where we can't shoot anything. The clouds, OMGs. This is wild. Look at this, we're just completely clueless. My camera does not understand. You made so much light, I can go down to ISO 640. All right, here we go. see if we can't get a cool shot of my buddy as he comes around in this beautiful Infinity. Let's do it. That was sick. Oh, I did not expect the lights up here to give us a flicker like that. So we might have some weird flicker going on. That's pretty trippy. Check that out. It's like the Call of Duty for media guys. Hold shift to sprint. Drone operator is locked in. That's sweet. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out this kind of behind the scenes footage of what it's like to get media when you're at a drift event. I might make a more detailed video about how I actually go about doing this in terms of my shooting style, what kind of angles I like to get, and how I stay safe out on track. So if that's something that interests you, then let me know. But in the meantime, just had a little bit of fun, and I hope you guys have a great day. Peace.